Guys, well, as you can see, I'm finishing my siblings painting. Ako gumawa niyan. I can't even believe na kaya kong gumawa ng ganito. Like, good job though. Ano lang to, siguro kumuha lang ako ng mga idea. Isang image sa Pinterest, tapos the rest is history. Konting ano na lang to siguro. Remedyo. And, yun. Okay na siya. But anyways, as I was saying, nalagyan na lang to ng mga stars. And, yeah. Like this.